We're taking on a thrilling adventure through the heart of a lush mangrove forest. But that's not all. We'll also be venturing into mysterious sand caves and discovering ancient 500-year-old pictographs that have been hidden away for centuries. And just when you thought things couldn't get any more exciting,
you said you wanted some adventure!
No, I didn't!
We'll be scaling the heights of Montana Redonda to experience an unforgettable 360-degree panoramic view of the stunning Dominican Republic.
Antonito, hello. Never mind. I'm not gonna drown.
The journey through the Los Haitises National Park was epic. We sailed through this insanely gorgeous mangrove forest, checking out all the different plants and animals that call it home. Seriously, there were like a bazillion different species of birds, reptiles, and mammals living here.
You have cocodrilos?
No, no hay cocodrilos.
No, culebras.
Sí, puede que hay.
Si hay culebras, ya.
So we have snakes, no crocodiles.
Aquí tenemos 4 tipos de manglares, lo que es el rojo, el blanco, el negro y el botoncillo.
¿Son protegidas estas?
Sí, por el Parque Nacional Los Haitises.
As we floated along, we felt so relaxed and peaceful. The calm waters and all the chirping birds created the ultimate relaxed vibe.
What's happening? We're going so fast. My kidneys.
My organs.
Ow.
Once we arrived at the caves, we were struck by the sheer age and significance of the pictographs, which date back over 500 years.
Sí, aquí estábamos ayer, es el dios del agua.
It was humbling to witness this ancient artwork in person and to gain insight into the beliefs and customs of the indigenous people who once lived in this area. The pictographs offer a rare and valuable glimpse into the past, and they serve as a testament to the enduring legacy of these cultures. Our next stop was the sand caves, and man, they did not disappoint.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy bien, ¿tú?
Not bad, not bad.
The caves were straight up stunning. Soft powdery sand everywhere, and these crystal clear turquoise waters that looked like something out of a postcard. The only downside was that it was pretty crowded.
This place is beautiful, but it's so crowded, making me rethink the way I want to travel and what this channel needs to be about.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance.
I mean, it's not surprising since this spot is so popular with tourists, but even with the crowds, the caves were definitely worth the visit. We learned that the caves were formed over thousands of years, as the limestone in the area eroded away. And apparently, they're home of a ton of different wildlife too, like bats, crabs, and fish.
So Haiti is probably mountains, right?
Oh shit, that's what it is. Oh, this is ours, huh?
Yes, I hope so. Uh-oh, you can keep going.
I don't want to keep going.
Antonio, always first thing first, safety.
Safety first.
By now, it was time to take a break and find a place to eat. We decided to try it out at a local restaurant nearby. Once we got there, we noticed that the place was packed with locals, which is always a good sign. Locals equals good food. After our delicious lunch, we decided to head up to Montana Redonda, known for its breathtaking 360-degree views of the surrounding landscapes. However, little did we know that the road to get up there was quite challenging. The road was not in the best condition, and it proved to be a bit too much for some of our companions.
You said you wanted some adventure!
No, I didn't!
Actually, one of these ladies here that we're not gonna show completely lost her shit and demanded the truck to stop in the middle of the road. She got off the truck midway up to the mountain, and then we never saw her again. But for those of us who persevered, the reward was definitely worth it.
You like? All good?
I love it.
Once we reached the top, we were greeted with incredible vistas, the sweeping views of the lush green mountains, the sparkling blue ocean, and the picturesque countryside were simply beautiful. As part of a tour, we didn't have much time to explore, but it was definitely worth the effort to get up there. We're glad we did it. Would you like to get a postcard from one of our future trips? I mean, who doesn't like postcards? Comment down below telling us where your dream travel destination is, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we will mail you a postcard from wherever we are when this video is posted. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys on the next one.